Hey everyone, Mark here again from Erickson, and today we're talking about the all-new wheel chock and strap kit. Erickson's new wheel chock and strap kit is designed to secure ATVs, UTVs, riding lawnmowers, race cars, and more. The kit secures the tires to the trailer and lets the suspension move. Works with tires from 10 inches to 30 inches in diameter. Each chock is fit with 2 E-track slots, and depending on the size of the tire, you choose which works best. We use a 2-inch wide ratcheting strap with E-track fittings on both ends. The chocks are positioned and bolted in place. Simply drive up and over whether you're loading or unloading. For safety reasons, we recommend that you tie down all 4 tires. So why choose Erickson? If you've ever hauled an ATV or any other wheeled cargo down a rough road, you know as the suspension moves, straps can loosen and things begin to shift. It's pretty scary. So the all-new wheel chock and strap kit is the answer. Be sure to use our wheel chock and strap kit for your next move. You'll thank us. So whether you tie it, tow it, or load it, Erickson's got it.